Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're going to change your browser's country now. First, pick a reputable VPN or proxy that offers servers in the target country and install its browser extension or app. Once installed, sign in and grant any required permissions. Connect to a specific server in the destination country. This assigns you an IP address there. Make sure to disable conflicting location services in browser settings and clear cookies, and cache so sites won't use old data. Now proceed to verify your new location. With the VPN active and connected to the chosen country, clear your browser's cookies and cache so websites don't detect prior location. Next, go to browser privacy settings and turn off site geolocation or set it to ask. Then change browser language and, if available, the time zone or use an extension to match the target country. This reduces fingerprinting. Once done, reload the site you want and check the displayed region, currency, and content to confirm the location change took effect. Finish by testing with an IP lookup and a geolocation checker to confirm your country shows correctly. If sites still detect your real location, switch to a different server in the same country or enable obfuscation/stealth mode in the VPN. Make sure to disable WebRTC leaks in browser settings or via an extension, and use the VPN's DNS to prevent leaks. If problems persist, restart the browser or device, then retest. That resolves many lingering cache and service issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.